The 2013 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, trip computer, electronic stability control, fog lights, power door locks, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, traction control system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.